day 7 of my bike trip from Amsterdam to Mons, but day 6 of biking, and it's my last day. Just have 23 miles to go today to get to Mons, and I'm biking by the river again. Although my map application took me on a trail this morning where I was having to push my bike uphill and downhill, and I got scratched by all these thorny plants, but it was pretty. Just took a lot of extra time that was unnecessary if I had just stayed on a road, but the application took me on a trail. So enjoying the nice shade, the cool breeze, and my last day of biking. Still really not sure what I'm going to do with this bike though. I was thinking I was going to try to sell it in Mons to a bike shop perhaps, but now I'm thinking maybe I'll try to take it on the bus to Luxembourg and sell it there. So I'm not so sure yet. So later. Totally had to stage that. And I'm back on a trail again, but this one seems fairly flat and no obstacles, so I think it'll be okay for now. I'm here at Chateau de Havre. I was just riding past and saw it and decided to just come in here and take a break. I'm about 4 miles from my Airbnb, so just gonna hang out here for half an hour or so and relax. One of my last posts. 187 miles later, and I made it to Mons. Just very close to the French border. Just got about half a mile to go. Thus concludes my Amsterdam to Mons bikepacking trip. I will celebrate by going to a World Cup game tomorrow.